Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Typebot and build AI chat flows for lead capture step by step clearly. Visit the official Typebot website. Locate the download section on the home page. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Click the download button. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Typebot. Log in or create a new account if prompted. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the New Project button to start a new chat flow. Select the template that best fits your needs. Drag and drop elements to create your desired chat flow. Customize the messages within each chat bubble. Add quick reply buttons to enhance user interaction. Incorporate user input fields for lead capture. Set up automated responses based on user inputs. Preview your chat flow to ensure it functions correctly. Make adjustments as necessary to improve the user experience. Save your project once you're satisfied with the setup. Click on the Publish button to make your chat flow live. Share the chat link or embed it on your website for lead capture. Monitor interactions through the Analytics dashboard. Continuously optimize your chat flow based on user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.